Welcome back to the shop, guys. I've got Jack here to help me tonight, and it's an exciting day. We got some parts for the Jeep, and Jack is going to do his first Jeep part installation.
That'll be fun.
Yep. And then what's better than having one vehicle that doesn't run?
Two,
exactly. So we've got a new project for the shop. We're gonna bring it in, put it on the table. Jack's gonna help me with that. So put in your guesses now. What might be coming in the shop?
and
Don't tell.
I'm not. It's free.
Yeah, can't beat free. So, all right, Jack, give me a hand.
Okay. Hey guys, how you think of my new goat cart?
It fits you pretty good, actually.
Yeah.
So, yep, this is a saved from the scrap pile. I was installing a kitchen today and saw this on a trailer with a bunch of scrap. Talked to the owner and I said, hey, what's the deal with that go-kart over there? He said, oh, it's headed to the scrapyard. So Jack and I are going to attempt to get it running and see if we can make something out of it. If not, I mean, worst case scenario, we could get a new motor for it. Shouldn't be too bad. These are sold from, it's a Coleman. It's a 98cc. It's got a 3 horsepower motor, and they're sold at Tractor Supply. I think they're on sale now for like $900, normally like $12.99. So
Nice.
yeah, can't beat free. And if we put $100-200 into it and it runs great, that's still a pretty good deal. And it gives Jack and I something to wrench on besides the Jeep, which we got to get to a little bit later too. So let's take a look at the motor and see how bad it is and see what we're looking at. Sound good?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. All right, so we're here with the go-kart. It really looks pretty clean. I mean, these tires look brand new. They hold air. They still have some of the nubs on them. So that's a good sign. My suspicion is that somebody bought this for their kids, ran it for a year or two. Maybe they outgrew it or they put it away for the winter and couldn't get it started in the spring. That is evident from some bad gas I'm smelling. Jack, you want to smell that?
Oh, it stinks.
It stinks? Yeah, that's bad gas. So yeah, we definitely have to take the tank off. We're going to take the carburetor out. We may try soaking it in some carb cleaner, depending on how it looks. It does have some compression. It's not a ton, but I don't know. We'll get into that here in a little bit. I have a feeling it's going to start. So yeah, we're just going to spend a little time tinkering on it tonight. And maybe if we can hear it fire, that'd be a victory, right?
Yeah.
Cool. All right, so here we go.
And we'll test it.
All right, so bring your ladder over here. And we'll roll this back towards us a little bit.
Where, like, in the back?
Yeah.
Like, in the corner?
Yeah, there we go.
Here.
Okay, so that's the fuel line right there.
That?
Yep.
Okay.
So it goes down to the carburetor back here. This is called the carburetor.
Oh.
So we're going to take this plastic cover off.
Okay.
And we're going to get access to this fuel line so we can unclip it and pour all the old fuel out.
Cool.
Sound good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so Stand over there because I'm gonna pull that. Here, you're good.
I'll watch you.
Works.
Oh
runs.
my god.
What?
That scared me. Yes.
Holy cow! I didn't think it was gonna be that easy.
Well, two wild and crazy guys.
It runs.
Wow. Okay. Yeah. We're gonna have to raise this up so the wheels aren't on the ground because that just
should we put it on the ground and get a bucket?
no.
Oh.
We're good. That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
All right, Jack, what do you think?
It works.
It works. Do you think we can get it running and going good?
No, I think we definitely can.
Yeah, I do too. What do you think? Did I pay too much for it?
No.
Oh, wait, it was free. So, yeah, a little bit of work. And are you going to ride this around the neighborhood?
Yeah.
Probably drive it to school and stuff?
You don't get much for free.
No, you don't get much for free. I think this was a good find. So, stay tuned to the channel. Jack's a happy camper tonight, and we're going to try to get this baby running. I really don't think it's going to take much. What do you think? 2 thumbs up, Jack?
No, 400 thumbs up.
Awesome. I couldn't have said it better. All right. Thanks, guys, for watching. We'll see you soon.